Wow, what a day, what a day. Hello guys from Iacopelli. This is the bench. It's not over yet, but we are working on making the best video for you. Actually, I'm working really hard. Today we just got a call. I'm so excited because I got everything, all the equipments from one company, which is Pizza Group, and then I'm gonna get the occasion to say thank you, Pizza Group, to make this happen, because you got everything that I needed to make this special. In a few minutes is coming the big truck with the pizza oven, the dough machine, the counter, everything that we need to make the pizza station. And then we're gonna get the home kitchen, and then we're gonna get the bar. So, and then the professional kitchen. So for me, this is very emotional because from today, really from today, it starts to become a pizzeria. A real pizza place made from scratch. I'm putting my hands inside 24 hours, 24/7. I'm so excited because this project is really for you. And so thank you guys, please watch until the end, share with friends, and wait until we finish this project. So watch every video that I'm posting, because step by step, look at this. This is the bench. I'm making this from scratch, everything industrial. Take a look at these lights. This is also in my other videos, but I cannot really spoiler that. Actually, you know what? We just post that? Yeah. Okay, hold on. Let's show how it looks. Come here, let's show how it looks inside the place. They're still gonna put some lights on, and voila, that's how it's, well, it's still no electricity, but it's nice to see something that is born. It starts to can I say that? Something that is start to born from scratch. This is a new project. Again, this is not a regular pizzeria. So I'm making different sets. So this is basically my life experience of work in one place. And you are able to come in person and see what I do. So go ahead, please tell me in the comments below if you want to see more, if I can keep going, give me some motivation, and watch until the end, okay? Let's go ahead, let's go get the truck, it's here. Finally, this has been a journey. It's been like about 4 months of work. Hopefully I got a little bit of time lapse here and there. And today is the time that we just receive the equipments, the pizza oven, a couple of fridges, and the pizza dough. And I want to say thank you to Pizza Group that finally they were able to ship everything as soon as before we open, because we have about 2-3 weeks left. So we're gonna figure out how to bring everything inside. Vai, scendi tutto. And voila, Pizza Group, top class. Really, really nice company. Good customer service. So we have a little bit of issue. Those things are really light compared to the big pizza oven that is in there. So we're gonna figure out, and this is a mess because we have this step here and another step there. So my idea is to block the street, bring the truck this way, and hopefully we don't have any issue to bring the oven in. So stay with me, stay with me. Right, we're blocking the street here, like you saw. We're trying to get this oven inside, Italian style. Illegally we block the street. Perfetto così, oh.
Ok.
Vai, vai.
Buona.
Perfetto.
Che ne dici? You're recording this.
Buona pasta, va bene, a posto.
Sta fuori?
Si può uscire, sì.
Sta fuori? Vai.
Tocca il muro.
No, no, non tocca. Sì, aspetta, tocca il muro un po'. Aspetta, lo spingo.
Non fa niente.
Vai. A posto. Fa niente. Vai, vai. È il marmo il problema. Piano piano. No, è un... Vai. Vai, ok.
Vieni, fa. Ho preso di su, 10 centimetri avanti.
Ci siamo. We did it. We made it. The pizza oven is inside. Huge thank you to Pizza Group that made this possible. That they have everything that you need for a pizzeria. So sorry. Now the problem is to take this thing out of this. So let's see. Let's give a little spoiler to this, and then we can end up this video. You have to watch until the end of this series too. Let's see inside here. Wow, Pizza Group, made in Italy, guys. Top class. Over the top. Well, you're gonna watch the whole episode after. But guys, everything is inside. I'm gonna put a little bit of time lapse of everything, and then I'll see you at the next one.